Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm a trader, analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's a trade that we had this morning on CWH. Now, it had been moving a lot. It was up over 30% at opening, and I'd made 7% on it in pre-market alone. And we traded a couple more times during the day, and now it was 12 o'clock, and it was starting to fade here. If you notice right here, this is doing well, a low base there, and it broke down, and some people got in short there. I was still adding up the day, and I was ready to finish trading, but I saw another low base developing there right at the $21 level. If you want to know more about what a low base is, you can go to our site at freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school and look for low base breakdown. Here's a description of it, and here's a picture of it where you run down to a line of support, and if it breaks it, it's most likely to go down because it's a bearish formation. So here we are. It's now low basing here right at $21. Have my order set, ready to go short, and let's see what happens next. Boom, there it goes, and I'm now in. I'm short at $20.98 was where I got filled. Had to be on the uptick at that particular moment, and we're on our way here, coming down here. And now look at this. This is the 200 period moving average, also known as Big Red. And what does it do? It comes right down to it, just going along, and then finally it drops below it. And right to the $20.50 area, began to low base there, and look at it, came right up. What did it tag? It tagged that 200-day Big Red, and now it's still low basing here at $20.50, getting ready to maybe take some off, but no, it's starting to break, and bam, there it goes down. Look at this. This is great. Next line of support could be this $20 area, but I'm going to go ahead and take half here because it spiked down here twice and pulled back up. So I took out half at $20.20 for 3.7%. Still short half of it. Let's see what happens next. Boop, it popped up here above the 8 EMA, and it took me out at $20.44 for 2.6% on the second half. And let's see what happened after that. It did continue to go up from there. This was the low of this particular run. Well, let's see. Look at this trade. We were short from here, all the way down here, and took out half, then the other half right there for a total of 3.15% in 16 minutes. These are the kind of trades we're doing in the GrokStar Room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chat room page, and down below on the bottom of the chat room page, a place where you can sign up for a 30-day free trial with the GrokStar Room, and you don't even need a credit card. But I want to show you something that happened to this later in the day. Now, I don't trade in the afternoons, but about 2 o'clock, watch what happens here. Let's pull down. Boom! Look at that! Must have been some news. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is up like 18% here in just a few minutes. Boy, too bad I wasn't in front of the market at 2 o'clock. Wow. That's another 18% on top of the 30% was already up for the day. Oh well, somebody else's money. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Remember, if you do miss a trade like this, it is just somebody else's money. Trade well.